Welcome to day 121. Number 1. Franchise fee. Please repeat. Franchise fee means the upfront fee paid by a franchisee to operate under the franchisor's brand. Example: the franchise fee for opening a fast food outlet can be quite high, but the returns are often worth it. Number 2. Free trade. Please repeat. Free trade means the international trade without tariffs or restrictions imposed by governments. Example: many economists argue that free trade leads to greater economic efficiency and innovation. Number 3. Free cash flow to equity, or FCE. Please repeat. Free cash flow to equity, or FCE, means the cash available to equity holders after all expenses, reinvestments, and debt repayments. Example: investors often look at free cash flow to equity to assess a company's financial health. Number 4. Full cost pricing. Please repeat. Full cost pricing means a pricing strategy that includes all fixed and variable costs in the final product price. Example: we use full cost pricing to ensure we cover all expenses and make a profit. Number 5. Functional authority. Please repeat. Functional authority means the right granted to an individual to control specific tasks, processes, or departments. Example: the HR manager has functional authority over recruitment processes across all departments. Welcome to day 122. Number 1. Funding round. Please repeat. Funding round means a stage in which a company raises capital through investors, often in startups. Example: the company completed its Series A funding round, securing $5 million from investors. Number 2. Financial leverage ratio. Please repeat. Financial leverage ratio means a ratio that measures the degree to which a company uses borrowed money to finance its operations. Example: a high financial leverage ratio can indicate higher risk, but also higher potential returns. Number 3. Fixed capital. Please repeat. Fixed capital means the long term assets used in the production of goods and services, such as machinery and buildings. Example: investing in fixed capital can improve production efficiency. Number 4. Fluctuating demand. Please repeat. Fluctuating demand means a demand for a product or service that varies significantly over time. Example: the tourism industry experiences fluctuating demand based on the season. Number 5. Fractional ownership. Please repeat. Fractional ownership means a system in which multiple owners share the cost and use of an asset, such as property or equipment. Example: fractional ownership of private jets has become popular among high net worth individuals. Welcome to day 123. Number 1. Factoring company. Please repeat. Factoring company means a company that buys accounts receivable from other businesses at a discount. Example: We use a factoring company to manage our cash flow when clients delay payments. Number two, favorable variance. Please repeat. Favorable variance means a positive difference between budgeted and actual performance. Example: we had a favorable variance in sales last quarter, exceeding our projections. Number three, forward integration. Please repeat. Forward integration means a business strategy where a company expands its control over distribution or retail. Example: the manufacturer pursued forward integration by opening its own retail stores. Number four, field sales. Please repeat. Field sales means sales activities conducted outside the office, typically through direct contact with clients. Example: our field sales team is responsible for building relationships with key clients in their regions. Number five, final demand. Please repeat. Final demand means the demand for finished goods or services by consumers as opposed to intermediary goods. Example: rising incomes have driven up final demand for luxury products. Welcome to day 124. Number 1. Financial instrument. Please repeat. Financial instrument means a contract that represents a financial asset, such as stocks, bonds, or derivatives. Example: derivatives are a type of financial instrument used for hedging risks. Number 2. Fire sale. Please repeat. Fire sale means a sale of goods at extremely low prices, typically to quickly liquidate inventory. Example: the company had a fire sale after filing for bankruptcy. Number 3. First refusal rights. Please repeat. First refusal rights means the right to have the first opportunity to buy an asset before it is offered to others. Example: the tenant has first refusal rights on purchasing the property if it's put up for sale. Number 4. Fringe economy. Please repeat. Fringe economy means the economic activities that exist outside the mainstream, often with fewer regulations or protections. Example: the gig economy is considered part of the fringe economy due to its lack of traditional employment structures. Number 5. Fiscal multiplier. Please repeat. Fiscal multiplier means the effect that a change in government spending or taxation has on economic output. Example: the fiscal multiplier of infrastructure spending is often high because it boosts productivity. Welcome to day 125. Number 1. Fixed charge coverage ratio. Please repeat. Fixed charge coverage ratio means a financial ratio that measures a company's ability to cover its fixed costs, such as debt and lease payments. Example: investors look at the fixed charge coverage ratio to assess a company's financial stability. Number 2, floor trading. Please repeat. Floor trading means a trading that takes place on the physical trading floor of an exchange. Example: With the rise of electronic trading, floor trading has become less common. Number three, franchise disclosure document or FDD. Please repeat. Franchise disclosure document or FDD means a legal document that franchisors must provide to prospective franchisees outlining the terms of the franchise agreement. Example: before buying the franchise, we carefully reviewed the franchise disclosure document. Number four, factory overhead. Please repeat. Factory overhead means the indirect costs of manufacturing, such as utilities, maintenance, and salaries of production supervisors. Example: factory overhead must be included in the calculation of total production costs. Number five, floating rate note or FRN. Please repeat. Floating rate note or FRN means a bond with a variable interest rate that adjusts periodically based on a reference rate. Example: investors in floating rate notes benefit when interest rates rise. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you tomorrow. Bye.